In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC. We're going to take a look at BTC on a 2-day basis, and we're going to take a look at the MACD, and we're also going to talk about the RSI on basically a daily time frame and lower degree and all of that good stuff, right? On a daily basis, if you basically watch our previous analysis, if you haven't done so, make sure to go back and watch my previous analysis. If you missed it, it means like you did not basically subscribe to our channel, so you could not basically get these short-term analysis, right? So just go ahead and basically subscribe and basically hit the likes, so you get all these short-term updates, right? So let's take a look at BTC on the daily. What we said regarding BTC on the daily, we said, guys, as long as BTC is staying above the 211 EMA, market structure going to be upward. Okay, it means price action still has momentum to be pushing to the upside, at least retest the top or try to create like a new all-time high, right? However, the opposite, the opposite direction is in play right now, because BTC closed below the 21 EMA on a daily basis. That's not good at all, right? So that's the first thing we need to pay attention to over the next like a few hours and so on, right? Incredibly bearish sign, at least in the short term, right? Now let's take a look at the 2-day basis. The 2-day basis is not that bad on the as long as BTC is staying above the 21 EMA, we can still expect like higher prices. Okay, however, one thing we got to keep in mind is, like, if you take a look at your MACD, as we said previously, we said, guys, right there, as long as MACD is pointing up and it's going to the up, it's pushing to the upside, BTC it is still going to be bullish. Okay, Bitcoin is still going to be bullish. However, if we get the bearish crossover, it means something completely different. It means we could be seeing a slowdown in price action, and that's what we're seeing right now. We broke the basically breaking the daily 21 EMA. If I switch it back, we broke the 21 EMA, right? On a daily basis, we already created a bearish sign on the 2-day basis. That's not good at all. Okay, that's not good at all. The next line of defense on the bigger picture going to be our 21 EMA on the 2-day basis. First line of defense. Okay, that's just that's the first line of defense. It is exactly at 17,127. Okay, 17,128 range. Okay, so now let's take a look at the good stuff. Okay, so if you take a look at the good stuff, right, which is hourly time frame, and what we said regarding the hourly time frame, right, we said, guys, don't be too bullish, right? You can anticipate some short-term bullishness. However, okay, we did not create any bullish divergence on the move to the upside. Price action just gave us a nice correction, right? However, we did not retest yet the bottom, right? On top of that, price action did not create any bullish divergence. You see what I'm saying? So now things are getting very complicated for the bulls. Why it is getting very complicated for the bulls? We talk about BTC possibly creating a flat correction, right? Or BTC creating a possible zigzag. But now it seems like we're going to be getting our flat correction we've been talking about over the last few days and so on, a retest of the bottom and another push to the upside. But take a look at it, okay? A divergence, okay, doesn't mean a double bottom. Okay, a divergence doesn't mean a double bottom. However, price action can do something like that, right, and give you a nice lower lows, right? And your MACD, it is pretty lagging. Okay, it is not going to basically create a new low. So you see what I'm saying? So we can still anticipate a possible support right here. However, it is not guaranteed we're gonna get it. Okay, so best thing to do is like wait for a a possible hourly reversal, right? A big wick to the upside, right? A big wick to the downside, a big reversal to the upside, something like that, right? Right here, right? Another big reversal on the hourly basis, and we could confirm, right, a possible divergence, right? Once again, divergence doesn't mean double bottom. Okay, you can still make a lower low, right, and still get a big divergence. You can get a nice double bottom right here and still get a nice divergence. Either way you look at it, the next move to the upside, if we get the divergence either by making lower lows or making a double bottom, going to be a strong move to the upside, right? So let's just keep that in mind, right? That's all I wanted to cover for today. If you're new to our content, make sure to just hit the likes, join our public Telegram group and basically subscribe to the channel. Make sure, don't forget to basically hit the notification so you can get all my short video updates, right? All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.